Today I want to discuss about hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons means the compound containing only carbon and hydrogen molecules. Only carbon and hydrogen molecules in their compounds are called hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are divided into two types. Hydrocarbons are divided into mainly two types, that is the aliphatic and aromatic. Next, another aliphatic also called as acyclic compounds. Acyclic compounds. Aromatic also called as cyclic compounds. Okay na? Aliphatic also called as acyclic compounds. Aromatic cyclic compounds. This also called as open chained compounds. Open chain compounds, or this is the closed chain compounds. Hydrocarbons are two types, aliphatic and aromatic. Aliphatic also called as cyclic compounds. Aromatic also called as cyclic compounds. This is the open chain compounds. This is the closed chain compounds. Aliphatic compounds again divided into mainly three types, that is alkanes, alkenes and third one alkynes. Alkynes. That indicate alkanes, alkenes and alkynes. Alkanes means the compound that containing single bond between the two carbon compounds, two carbon atoms. Sorry. Alkanes means the single bond between the two carbon atoms is called alkanes. All alkanes are saturated compounds. Saturated means any compound that contains single bond. Only single bond ఉంటే వాటిని మనం ఏమని పిలుస్తాం? Saturated అంటాం. So alkanes means the single bond between the two carbon atoms is called alkanes. It's also saturated acid. Next, alkenes. Alkene means the double bonds between the carbon atoms. The double bond between two carbon atoms are called alkenes. This is called alkenes. Alkyne means triple bond between the two carbon atoms is called alkynes. These two are unsaturated. What is mean by saturated? Saturated means only single bond compounds called as saturated. Unsaturated means double bond or more than bonds. Double bond or triple bond is called unsaturated. So what are the example for saturated acids? Saturated compounds. Alkanes are the example for the saturated compounds. Unsaturated compounds examples alkanes and alkynes. Okay na? Alkanes ki examples చూస్తే చూడండి మనం methane, ethane. This is the example for alkanes. Next, alkenes ki methane, ethane. This is the examples. Next, alkynes ki methyl alcohol, methyl, ethyl. This is the example for the alkynes. Once you see the formulas, okay? చూడండి methane, methane CH4, CH4 methane. This is the structural formula. CH4. Here two H's is there, one H, one H. Okay. Next, this is the alkanes. Okay. Alkenes, ethane. Ethane. Ethane means C2H4. This is the structure formula. CH2, CH2. Alkynes. So ethyl. Ethyl. C2H6. So CH triple one CH. This is the Alkene. Alkene ki example methane, CH4. This is the structural formula. Alkenes ki ethane. This is E2H4 and this is the structural formula. Alkyne example ethyl. Ethyl alcohol, methyl alcohol మనం చూసే ఉంటాం, ఇనే ఉంటాం. Aromatic. Next one aromatic. Aromatic means aromatic also unsaturated compounds. This also cyclic structure. For example benzene. Benzene is the cyclic structure. This is the benzene, C6H6 benzene. You have to draw like this also. Okay na? ఇది చాలా ఈజీ చాప్టర్, ఏం లేదు. హైడ్రోకార్బన్స్ డెఫినిషన్. ఎనీ కాంపౌండ్ కంటైనింగ్ carbon and hydrogen atoms in their molecules are called hydrocarbons. Types. Hydrocarbons are two types, aliphatic and aromatic. Again aliphatic divided into three types, alkanes, alkenes and alkynes. సింగిల్ బాండ్ ఉంటే ఆల్కైన్స్ అంటాం, డబుల్ బాండ్ ఉంటే ఆల్కీన్స్ అంటాం, ట్రిపుల్ బాండ్ ఉంటే ఆల్కైన్స్ అంటాం. నెక్స్ట్ aromatic. Aromatic also unsaturated compounds. ఎగ్జాంపుల్ బెంజిన్, C6H6 దాని ఫార్ములా. మనం అందుకే చూడండి, aromatic అన్సాచురేటెడ్ యాసిడ్స్ కదా, వీటిని కన్నా బాగా హీట్ చేస్తే మనకి ఎక్కువ స్మోక్ వస్తుంది. ఎందుకంటే వీటి మధ్యలో చాలా స్ట్రాంగ్ బాండ్స్ ఉంటాయి, అవి బ్రేక్ అవ్వడానికి కష్టం కాబట్టి అవి మనం బ్రేక్ చేసినప్పుడు స్మోక్ అనేది వస్తుంది. ఓకే, హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, మీకు ఇంకేమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే కామెంట్ బాక్స్లో కామెంట్ చేయండి.